Hey everyone, welcome back to the Vibrant Life Source YouTube channel. And today is a cold, rainy day in the Seattle area, and I'm sitting here with a cup of tea and I'm in the mood to make some holiday cookies. So I thought I would make one of my favorite, all-time favorite holiday cookies, and I would bring you along with me. So what I'm making today is kind of a cross between a gingerbread cookie met a ginger snap. You see a theme with the ginger, and I absolutely love these. I love ginger, so I kind of go a little crazy. But I figure I'll take you along with me and show you one of my favorite holiday cookies. So, gotta have my tea. So here are the suspects. So we've got eggs, obviously. I'm gonna use coconut sugar. So these cookies are dairy and gluten-free. So if you have friends or family that would work well for them, this would be the perfect holiday cookie. So coconut sugar, almond flour, almond butter. I know, an odd ingredient, but stay with me on that. We got vanilla extract. I've got molasses. Hello, you gotta have molasses. We've got cinnamon, we've got cloves, I've got nutmeg, and obviously ground ginger, baking soda, and then my little addition is candied ginger. I chop those up and I put it in the cookie, so every now and then you'll get a little nugget of ginger. So here's what I'm gonna do first. I'm going to cream the eggs, the almond butter. Oh, we got coconut oil too. Some coconut oil, molasses, the coconut sugar, and the vanilla, and I'm going to cream that together, okay? And then I'm going to sift in the almond flour, the baking soda, and my spices, the cinnamon, the ginger, nutmeg, and the cloves. And then I'm going to put that all together and then fold in the crystallized ginger. So while I do that, go ahead, get yourself a cup of tea and meet me right back here and I'll show you what it looks like. Hey everyone, all right, we are back. So quick review of what I've done. I have creamed together the eggs, the vanilla, the molasses, the almond butter, the coconut oil, and then I sifted in the almond flour, baking soda, all of the spices, and then I cut in some candied ginger, which is totally optional, but for me, I can't get enough ginger. So what I have here is then I let the cookie dough chill for at least an hour in the fridge. It's gonna be still a little tacky. And so what I'm doing is I have rolled out about an inch ball, rolled it in some coconut sugar, and then I just kind of pat it down into the cookie sheet. So I got one more to do, and then what we're gonna do is we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes, just until they're cooked through. You might even, and I've noted when I make these, sometimes I kind of need to go up to 12 minutes. It kind of depends on your oven, right? That's always the case. And then before you take them off the cookie sheet, let them sit for at least about 5 minutes, and then you can transfer them to a rack, to a cooling rack. So, all right, there it is. And this will make, I made a little bit bigger ones just because I like bigger ones, but this makes about anywhere from 12 to 14 cookies, okay? So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pop them in the oven. I'm gonna wash my hands, and then I'm gonna meet you back here for the final result, so you can enjoy a cup of tea with me as I enjoy one of these cookies. See you soon. Well, I've taken the cookies out of the oven. I kept them in the pan for about 5 minutes, and then I moved them over to a cooling rack. And this is just a few of them. Look at that. And this is hands down the best part of baking, because now I get to have my cup of tea with my cookie. This is my idea of lazy Sunday holiday baking, right? Check down below for the full recipe. And I hope you have an amazing holiday season. I hope you try these cookies, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. Let me know down in the comments below. All right, everyone. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my cookie with the rest of my tea, and I will see you back here soon. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, happy holidays, everyone. See you soon. Bye.